Weird. My name is Aidan, I'm 17.
My name is Jacques, I'm 17.
Today I made my great-grandma Frida's chocolate chip coffee cake.
I'm going to be making a green smoothie. I work at a community farm called East New York Farms where we promote healthy eating. I feel like I am a pretty judgmental person based on like first impressions and stuff.
What did you think of me when you first met me?
I thought you were outgoing because like you were just like, yeah, exactly.
I'm an introverted extrovert. Well, their first impression is I seem like a very serious, dark person, like, And then by the end of the year, they were like, oh yeah, that's Aidan. She has puppets.
I'm sorry, did you just say puppets?
Hello, and welcome to Yum. Here's your blueberries. All right.
Since I was a kid, one of my big dreams is always do something impactful. I started with East New York Farm because there's not a lot of healthy eating options in East New York.
My career dream is to be a baker. I was once talking to this girl in my school, and she asked what I like to do. And I said, oh, I really like to bake. And she went, oh, well, you must not be a feminist then. I was completely confused by that.
I feel like that's sort of like a natural thing that like humans tend to do, like they're automatically judged.
But I feel like we can still try to fight that. Like we can realize, oh, I automatically thought this. Let me find out if it's true. I'd like to get into college.
That's the biggest goal.
It's all my friends talk about right now.
It's been pretty stressful. I had to work on my college essay, SATs. I took it like 3 times. I just want to be successful in some way. I tend to get like a little insecure and second-guess myself and be like, you know what, do I really want to go through this? Can I really do it?
My original plan, which was that I was gonna go to culinary school, and then I realized that that's unsustainable for the fact that if baking doesn't work out, then I have nowhere else to go. So I made a new plan to apply to colleges looking to major in business, and then I'll go from there and be like entrepreneurial. Oh, wow, that's really good. It tastes like your mouth just feels like a garden.
I won't have to eat healthy for like another month.
It was nice to work together in the same space because I feel like we got to know each other better.
Yeah, I learned she's a very outgoing person. She